So today we are at a campground that has been a nice surprise for us, right?
Yeah. We're at Paradise Stream Family Campground in Loysville, PA.
Do you guys like it here?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a beautiful campground. We're having a great time. We got a golf cart, so we're going to show you around.
Yeah, let's go driving around and then we tell you what we think about this place. All right, so you look really white here. Look at that. Oh my God.
I am white.
Put
Thank
it this way.
Do I look less white now?
So we are taking a little nature walk. There is a really beautiful trail, good for fishing, that goes around the lake, and it's a really enjoyable walk. The lake, catch and release, you can fish here, and they also rent kayaks. You can bring your own. But so far, what do you think about this campground? What do you like? What do you don't like?
So far, I think this campground is really beautiful. It's really nice area. I even went outside of the campground for a run today. Really beautiful scenery, quiet.
Yeah. You took a nice run along the river, right? Nice.
Through a covered bridge. It was pretty cool.
Yeah, I did went running just at a different time of the day.
And then I like that it's very family oriented. There's 3 different playgrounds in each little section, so the kids can kind of play at the playground and they're close to your RV.
Yeah.
There's a lot of activities, a nice general store.
Oh yeah, the store is huge.
Hand dipped ice cream. Oh my gosh, you haven't gotten any yet.
That's on the works. Yeah. But yeah, lots of like gifts, swag, stuff like that at the store. The wood, they sell like wood enough, like the regular stacks. They also sell like a
bin.
Yeah, like
if you're for like the week.
Yeah.
What is that noise?
Just probably a little frog. You're freaking out. but yeah, I agree with you that this is a very family oriented campground. Last night there was like so much going on at the little like town center area, and it feels like one of those campgrounds where it's festive, you know, like there is a lot of people moving around, music, golf carts with lights and everything, but it didn't feel out of place.
Right. It didn't feel party-like. It felt more like just fun.
Yeah.
You know, the DJ was playing some, you know, very clean, appropriate songs for the kids to dance and stuff, and a couple line dances. And all around good people. They even had like a little moment last night where they took a moment to recognize the military.
I promise you that the money tonight that has been collected through our 50-50 will truly go back to helping those that are less fortunate, that will help our veterans that have served our country, that have laid their lives on the line for us because they served our country and protected us and gave us the rights and the freedoms that we deserve every day. So round of applause for our military, for our firefighters, for our police, for our doctors, our nurses, because really... All right, Paradise, come on, this is your time. Here we go. Put them on now.
It's good people all around. We are feeling really at home here. We went to church this morning. They do a service here. The pastor was a character.
We sang a lot of children's songs.
For sure.
But it was nice, and again, a lot of family friendly space. And I honestly thought that this place was going to be pretty small from what I saw in the website, but surprisingly, such a big campus, lake area. Oh, great.
I think we will be definitely coming back. Hi, how are you? I think we will be definitely coming back. We feel at home. We feel relaxed. We like it here a lot. When we come back next time, actually we're sitting. Our kids are calling us probably to go back.
No, you can stay at the playground or you can be at the RV. We'll be back in a few minutes.
Yeah, right in front of us here, where we are sitting, there are a few RV sites that are like waterfront. Oh, so beautiful. So, all right. We will tell you a little later about our closing remarks. Next year, they're going to build a second pool and a splash pad.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right next where the pool is, they're gonna have another one, so it's gonna get even better next year.
Come back next year.
Absolutely, you can count on me for that. You know what's one more thing that I like about this campground? It's owned and operated by a family. Because lately every nice campground has been acquired by big companies. So when we find one that works really well, like Triple Brook in New Jersey, Buttonwood in Central PA, this one is worth mentioning. Family owned and operated, and they know what they're doing. They're doing a great job. So there you go. There you have it. Another campground review in the can.
Yes. We had so much fun at Paradise Family Campground. What a hidden gem that we found there.
Absolutely.
And not to mention that besides all the great amenities, the people there were so amazing.
Oh yeah. So just so easygoing people all over. Yeah.
So we met Cloyd, the owner. Hi, Cloyd. And we had a great time with Brendan, who runs the DJ.
Oh, Brandon was the man. Yeah, so much fun. And big shout out to you, man.
Yeah. So just like we've been doing for the last couple of weeks, this was our review. Next week we'll be back to show you some of our family fun that we had there. We've been doing a lot of camping this summer with other people. So you'll get to see some of our friends join us for our family.
As a matter of fact, we are right now getting ready to go to another campground to make another review.
Cousins.
Yay! All right, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Next week, another week here, just family stuff. Bye-bye.